Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper tissue box. So this is a very easy way of making a paper tissue box, and this is useful too. So you can use this for playing with your dolls. So you can just pull it from here, and if we push it, it will go inside. So let's see how to make this easy tissue box. So first, for this activity, we need a square piece of paper. So I'm going to be making a pink tissue box. So I'm taking pink square paper. You guys can take any color you'd like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half. Step number 2 is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half one more time. So now I'm unfolding it, and I'm folding the paper on the top at both sides of the paper. So after we complete this, we'll obtain 2 triangles at the bottom. So I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well, on the 2 sides. So now we'll have 4 triangles if we count them and add them. So now I'm just going to be opening the 2 triangles at the bottom part so that we'll get a structure like this. So after we complete this, I'm turning the paper to the opposite side, and I'm folding the other 2 remaining square parts as triangles on the opposite side of the paper. So now I'm folding this paper to the top so that we'll get a structure like this, and there will be a small opening at the bottom part. So now I'm just going to be turning the paper to the opposite side, and I'm folding it in half. So now we'll have a small opening here. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be folding the paper like this, and I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well, so that we'll get a structure like this. So now I'm opening it, and I'm opening this side as well. Now I'm opening it and I'm pressing on it so that there will be a square formed on both the sides of the paper, and there will be a line cutting the square on the both sides, a diagonal line. So after we complete this, we'll get a structure like this. So we have to make 2 more structures like this in the same way. So in total we'll have 3 now. So the next step I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be taking another strip that we made like this, and I'm just pushing it inside the first one over here, and I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So we have to do this slowly like this. So now I'm just pressing on it more so that it will go in and stick well like this. So now we'll have a rectangular box like structure. So now I'm just going to be taking the third part, and I'm just going to be making a small hole over here. So after we put a hole, we'll get a structure like this. So I made a circular hole. You guys can make a rectangular or square hole as well. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking a rectangular white piece of paper like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be rolling this paper over here. So we have to roll it slowly like this, but we should not roll it until the top, because if we roll it until the top, it won't be good enough. So I'm just going to be rolling it until like about almost like about 3/4 of the whole thing. So after we complete this, I'm just opening a glue bottle, and I'm applying some glue on the paper over here. So now I'm just rolling it again, and I'm sticking it over here. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking this whole part over here, and I'm going to be squeezing this part inside the hole over here like this. So now we'll be obtaining a structure like this. So now I'm just taking this part, and I'm squeezing it into the rectangular box that we already made. So we just have to squeeze it in slowly like this. So I'm squeezing it so that this part will get inside. So after we complete this, our tissue box will be ready. So we can pull the paper like this, and we can also push it in like this. So you can just put real tissue paper as well, and you can cut it to make it more realistic for your dolls. So now I'm just going to be making a small design. So I'm just taking a black marker. You guys can take any color you'd like to put your own design. I'm just going to be drawing 2 small circles over here, and I'm coloring them in. So you guys can put a better design for the eyes as well. I'm just putting a nose over here, and I'm drawing a smiley at the bottom. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be drawing small dots on the side. So I'm just going to be drawing 3 dots in a line like this. So I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So now we'll have 12 dots on each side. So I'm just turning the paper the back side and I'm writing tissue at the back. So TISSUE, and I'm going to be writing box at the bottom part of it. So as I said before, you guys can use your own creativity and make this tissue box. So this is a very easy way of making a tissue box, and it is useful too. So you can play with this and use it for playing with your dolls. So it's looking very realistic, and we can push the tissue from inside, and we can also pull it and push it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And I thank you all for supporting me and my channel. So I once again repeat, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. And thank you all for supporting me. Bye.